Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Catlettsburg, local and long-distance movers near me. When you hire us, you gain access to all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you need to move 100 miles away or more, it's known as a long-distance move. This type of move might take you one state over or across the country. No matter how far you need to go, though, our movers will make sure your things get there safely and on time. Even a local move can gain plenty of benefits from a Kentucky moving company. When you hire local movers, you get professionals to load up everything and unload it at your new location. You can even hire local movers to do the packing and unpacking. 3 Movers uses a streamlined process to help you save a ton of time and energy. Our team of 3 Movers will make sure your local move is simple. We can even handle a large move in just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Catlettsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.